guys, it's your girl Tierra Aoki, and today's the day. I am going to be putting a 613 wig up on my head, okay? I've always done some type of dark hair. Y'all have seen me do my U-part wig with my taping extensions, my blonde taping extensions, but I want to show you all the wig. Here it is. Here she is, and this wig is from Alipearl hair. It is a 13x4 lace front wig, and y'all, literally, I've never in my life worn a lace front wig ever. Like literally ever, never, ever have worn a lace front wig. So I'm going to start off by toning the wig. Because it's literally like way too yellow for my skin. As y'all can see, like this is like crazy, like way too yellow for my skin. So I can't wear her straight out of, straight out of the box like this. And it came with this bag. Along with a pamphlet. So this Alipearl pamphlet. And it came with a headband, which is really cute. Forget edges, but lay them down. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, and it came with this too. It came with a wig cap. So yeah, that's what is in there. I have a toner in my sink that is already set. So here it is, it's already set. So like I said, I'm going to tone it because like I said, it's way too yellow for my skin. And here is the toner. It is from OGX. We're gonna try her out. And I want to show you guys exactly how I'm going to tone her. Mind you, this is going to be the very first time, like I said, I'm ever putting on a lace front wig on my head. I've literally never ever done this before, even with regular color hair. So it's going to be an experience. I've watched like 1,012 YouTube videos, so we're going to see how this goes, okay? I'm going to take you guys on me through this journey, and don't judge me too much, okay? Because this is my first time, okay? Judge your mother, okay? Judge your mother, okay? She actually is really cute. Let me show y'all exactly how she looks before I tone it, and then I'm going to tone. I'll be right back. All right, so this is... Yo, what the fuck is this? All right, so this is how it looks without me doing anything to the wig, okay? As you can see, I look crazy. This is why I need to tone the wig, okay? Like, what? Okay, this is why I need to tone the wig, okay? I look crazy. But when it's done right, I can tell, like, I can tell it's gonna look good. I can tell it's gonna look good, so. I'm trying to think, should I do like a side part? Or should I do a middle part? I'm thinking that middle part. I think a middle part might look really cute, right? Middle part. Yeah, I'm thinking middle part, right? Middle part. All right, y'all. Let's get into toning this wig.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby.
This next tip for my wig I actually got from Miss Rosh Posh. So I'm actually going to dye the knots with this color from Clariol. It is the 6.5G lightest golden brown shades. Like I said, I got this from Miss Rosh Posh. We're about the same complexion, so I figured that this shade will look really, really nice with the blonde. I'm really nervous about the knot is looking like crazy on my skin. So I'm like, okay, you know, I want to dye the knot so that I'm not looking crazy out here, because they are kind of like, you know, they are kind of like light on my skin. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that, but they're kind of like light on my skin, so that looks kind of crazy. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much just dye the knot so that it matches my skin better. I don't know if you can tell just by toning it, it looks a whole lot better, right? So I'm going to actually do that, and I'll be right back.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. You already know, no. Straight up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G-block stainers. And we got adopted by some 5'4" strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that great shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you.
Okay, so after I just did that, I am like extremely excited about how this lace looks. Like, what? Miss Posh Posh, I just want to say that, girl, you are the mother chucking goat. Okay, look at this lace. Any girls that are like medium light brown like me, look at this. Where my hand at? Like, what? That's crazy. Look at that. Look. Yeah. All right, this is what she's looking like now. I'm just gonna let her dry. She's so pretty, so pretty. As you can see, she's dripping everywhere. This, y'all, so it's the morning and I'm getting myself together. Why is there dust everywhere? Getting myself together. I'm just getting up, and my wifey here. Ben look, that's my daughter. I just checked on her. She's fine. She's playing with her toys. Anyway, so I'm gonna be finishing up this wig. Well, not finishing it, but straightening it, styling it. I want to do a middle part, sleek. I make her wait. I'm still waiting on my bold hold glue to come in the mail. I don't know why it's taking so long on Amazon. Like, I have Prime, so I'm not understanding what's taking so long. I hope no one stole my package, honestly. But waiting on that, and yeah. So I want to show you guys a little bit of me straightening the wig, even though you guys know what straightening looks like. But I kind of want to add some aesthetic in there, so.
They said you got high as the sky, up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me, but you're not understanding. No, you gon' make me beg, make me plead, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time to me. Said you coming home intoxicated. Oh, raise my mind for me. Said you coming home intoxicated.
wig on my hair now. Here is the wig. And she is so adored. Let me show you the whole thing. She is 24 inches, 250 density, 13 by 4 lace frontal. So I'm excited about her. I had washed, blow dried, and straightened my hair just a bit so that it can lay really flat, because I don't know how to cornrow. I really wish I did. But yes, don't know how to braid. So, well, I don't know how to cornrow. So I'm going to do 2 braids that are going to be sleep here, and then all this is going to be braided, and then I'm just going to like pin it up. So I'm going to do it like that and just keep watching. Oh, and by the way, I don't think I want to show y'all how I do the bald cap method, because I actually need to use YouTube. So I want to be looking at how to do it, and then after I might come and show y'all me with a bald head, like a bald head hoe. So I might do that. And there's my daughter. You say hi? And yeah, so I may show afterwards, and if it looks kind of good, I may do like a whole video just dedicated to the bald cap method. So yeah, stay tuned, keep watching. You say hi? Say hi. Okay.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I put aside, all the niggas round me, ride at it, ride, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride at it, ride. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense off. Think we need to have a same adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to gold. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't make sure. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I put aside, all the niggas round me, ride at it, ride, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride at it, ride. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.
Hey guys, so it is about a few days later. I'm not exactly sure how many days, but it's a few days later, and this is the final result. And she is looking bomb. Okay, a big ass difference from how it started off, right? Like huge difference. And I'm loving being a blonde. Like what? Such a huge transformation, but I am absolutely in love. If you like this video, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.